Hi, girls and boys. Reggie Roo here. Can you think of 10 red machines? Here are my 10 favorite red machines. At 10, we have a big red double-decker bus. Driving through town. Number 9 is a shiny red motorbike. 8 is a little red snowblower, clearing away snow. 7, bright red helicopters are very cool. 'The rotor blades spin very fast. 6, underground trains, a red nose and red doors. 5, some super duper tractors are red too. 4, and so are speedy red quad bikes. Whoosh! 3, red planes fly high in the sky. 2, red cars can be really fast. And finally, 1, everyone's favorite red machine is a fire truck. Did you like my favorite red machines? Can you think of any others? Hooroo!
To see more things that go, click on the videos above. And don't forget to subscribe.